Hello everyone, my name is Teresa Wombles. I'm a graduate student working on my specialist degree at UGA. I've just wrapped up my 15th year in education, and through the years I've taught various subjects and grade levels. Next school term I will be back in the 7th grade teaching social studies, which is my favorite subject, at Johnson County Middle High School located in Wrightsville, Georgia. Some more personal insight to get to know me is I am also certified pre-K through 5th grade in all subjects. I'm certified in the middle grades in social studies, reading, and ELA, and I also hold the ESOL endorsement. My most memorable issue working with the gifted population would have to be this past school term. When studying Africa and the environmental issues of Africa, my gifted students put their heads together and researched. They came up with an idea to go through a nonprofit called Charity Water, in which we raised almost $600 to go towards building a well in a village that was in desperate need. And this fit perfectly with the environmental concern standards of this region. My favorite aspect about working with the gifted population is that oftentimes I feel like I learn just as much from them as they do from me, if not more. To have them bring up different perspectives, points of view, asking thought-provoking questions, sharing what they're doing, their thoughts and ideas is really an amazing process, the whole collaboration of the gifted groups. Probably my least favorite thing about working with the gifted population is that oftentimes parents are ecstatic and happy that their child is in the program, they tested in. However, they don't necessarily always appreciate the rigor and the planning behind the gifted program, especially because in my county we don't have a gifted pull-out model. We serve them in the regular classroom and we meet with our gifted coordinator once a week. So this is one reason that there's a lot of pressure on all the teachers to make sure that we are providing the content needed to challenge these students and take them to the next level. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Have a good day.